1965 Chevrolet Impala SS two-door hardtop. Here at Unique Specialty and Classics, and yes, real deal SS. Trim code will confirm that 862 trim code. That'd be a saddle colored SS interior, of course, bucket seats. Underneath the hood, era correct, 327 power, and best of all, 4-speed manual transmission. That would be a Muncie. Power steering. Let's take a look at the chrome, the grille, headlight bezels. Now, as you can see, we do have a few little dingers at the top of that chrome bumper. SS grille, of course. Has had a repaint to, I would call this very similar to Rally Red. Still retains what looks like it could be some of the stock saddle interior. And we'll get around to the driver's side, check that out here in a bit. But first of all, still pictures. You can check out over 100 pictures of this car online on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on some of my favorite wheel covers, that SS Tri-Spinner. White wall radial tires, and those are new. Were just put on, and I'll get into some more things that were recently done in this car in just a bit. As far as paint, you can see it has a nice shine to it. You may find an imperfection here or there, maybe a little fisheye or a speck in the paint, but overall it's one of those cars, get in, drive it, go have some fun. Paint has a nice shine to it. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Get out and enjoy a classic car. You can see up and down this passenger side, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Get a little closer look at that interior. Again, saddle interior. There are a couple separations in the seat. Center console, of course, there's that 4-speed shifter. Give you a good look from the rear to the front down those long panels. All right, some of the notes from the technician that inspected this car and did some work on it. The tailpipes you see on the rear, those have been replaced and are new. I mentioned the 4 new tires. The front and rear brake shoes were replaced. All 4 wheel cylinders have been replaced, as well as the brake hoses. New radius bushings, new front sway bar links, new starter. And he did mention the signal switch is a little bit touchy, does work. And your typical powertrain seeps. Car that's driven. And we are going to start it up, take a peek underneath the hood. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take it for a virtual ride, if you will. Stick around to the very end of the video, take a look down this driver's side. Now, if you like Impalas, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And again, you can see driver's side really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Sorry with that focus. Once in a while, these bright red ones makes it want to search a little bit. And it'll happen on the bright red ones, and this is a nice, shiny, bright red, no doubt about it. A little bit of separation on the bottom down by that piping on the seat. Seat belt's intact up front. Give a good look at the rear. And you'll see every angle of the interior in the still pictures too. Headliner looks good. Visor's in place. I think we need to fire this up. Holley 4-barrel on it, and there's a manual carbo here, just so you're aware of that. As you could hear, fired right up. I've not played around with this radio at all, really, to see.
For the
Hey,
upcoming
it's working.
legislative session, the coalition, which represents over 100 cities outside the Twin Cities, is requesting investment.
So AM radio, that is working. It's not up here, the tack is. Take a look at the top of the dash. Looks good. The vehicle actually came to us from Wyoming. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Error correct. 327 to V8. Nice little rumble out of that 327. Nothing crazy, but nice deep throaty exhaust note. All right, let me pause this a second. I want to get this hood open. It's going to take two hands. We'll check out that engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And underside of the hood, black finish. There it is. 327. Looks like there's a newer interstate battery disconnect for when it's in storage. Looks like a newer master cylinder also. Power steering. Running pretty smooth. Back in the days when you could actually work on that engine in the engine bay all by yourself, in your garage, under the shade tree. Look at all that room. 1965 Chevrolet Impala SS. Yes, real deal SS. Two-door hardtop. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1965 Chevrolet Impala in bright red, a two-door, a 4-speed manual on the floor. The blower motor works on this car, the radio also working.
I don't mean to be mean. I'm nobody.
The wipers work on this car as well. Bucket seats. We have a tachometer over here. I do not see it reading, but very cool tachometer. Our amp gauge on the far left is showing that we are charging above 14 volts. The fuel gauge is a half a tank. The temperature shows a quarter of a tank, and the oil pressure is a little over half. That's very good. Brakes nice and smooth. Got a little bit of traffic.
Converted into more.
The AM radio actually sounding quite good. Looking original. It says Delco on it. That's GM's brand. Very smooth clutch. Nice acceleration. You can hear those floor barrels open when you get your foot down in it. It's a nice sound. Smooth running 1965 Chevrolet Impala. Find all the pictures of this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.